Hello Roadrunners! In this video, we are going to learn how to register for a class that has already started, otherwise known as requesting an add authorization. The first step is to go to Self-Service, and then My Academics. Locate the class you want to register for, and click the blue title of the course. Here you'll see the email of the professor. Then, with your student email, you can send a message to the professor about wanting to add the course. Don't forget to include your name, student ID, the course name, number, and section. Do note that it is up to the professor to let you into the course or not. If the professor agrees to allow you to register, you will have about 24 hours to register for the course, so don't forget to go back and actually register. Once you have an add authorization, it will look something like this, and you will be able to register for the course. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the completion coaches or call us at 909-389-3399 or scan any of the following QR codes.